What's up guys, it's Levi from Wall Street Survivor, and we are excited about today's video talking about investment newsletters. Now, that may sound super boring to you, but I promise you'll get some value from this video. Investment newsletters basically help you pick stocks to invest in. There are a ton of different companies to invest in out there through the stock market, and it can be difficult to keep up with all of it at once. Actually impossible. So what investing newsletters do is they dedicate teams of analysts to researching the stock market and send you what they recommend you buy. Now, I've used stock newsletters for the past 3 years, and at Wall Street Survivor, we always buy as many as we can and compare their performances so that we can let you guys know what the best newsletter is to help you pick your stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it, the best investing newsletters of 2021. Coming in at number 1, we have the Motley Stock Advisor, which has performed the best and is the lowest price of any investing newsletter out there. They picked 24 stocks to invest in 2020, and 21 out of those 24 were up at the end of the year. The average return of all of their 2020 picks was up 78% compared to the 19% gain in the S&P 500. So they smashed the market. With the Motley Fool, you get 2 new stock recommendations every month, as well as their free best of articles, which come out periodically. I did a video about those last year. They're super awesome resources to pay attention to and totally free. But as far as the 2 paid picks that you get with the Motley Fool Stock Advisor service, they offer in-depth analysis about why they pick those stocks when they pick them so that you can be just as informed as they are. And in case you're wondering, they also tell you when to sell your stocks. The stocks that they're looking at usually have a 3 to 5 year investment horizon, so you won't be selling very many of them immediately, hopefully. But yes, they do tell you when they recommend that you sell as well. Right now, the Motley Fool has a 50% off promotion. They're offering their entire year subscription for just $99 or $19 a month. Last year, we paid $199 for their stock subscription service, so this is a great deal to take advantage of for 2021. If you're interested in penny stocks, number 2, we have Tim Sykes' penny stock newsletter. Tim Sykes is kind of an infamous investor. He basically is an influencer and he makes a ton of videos, but he does have a really good penny stock newsletter, so don't take everything he says as a joke. With Tim Sykes, you get access to his daily watch list for $2.50 a day. Basically, it clues you in on what he's looking to buy so that you can make the choice yourself, but the performance has been historically very good. If you're not a super active trader, getting alerts every single day might annoy you a little bit, but like I said, it's just $2.50 a day, and because they're penny stocks, they don't take much investment. Now, penny stocks are risky because they're so cheap. A lot of people think they're a get-rich scheme. If used wisely, you can integrate them into your portfolio. So if you're interested in penny stocks, check out Tim Sykes' newsletter. Now, at number 3, look no farther than the Motley Fool Rule Breakers newsletter. It's similar to their Stock Advisor newsletter, but with a few twists. This newsletter targets high-growth stocks that are a little more volatile and a little riskier. So with the Motley Fool Rule Breakers, we found that you either win or miss big. The important thing about these newsletters, at least that we found has worked successfully for us, is that if you buy a little bit of everything that they recommend, it averages out to pretty incredible returns. But if you're picking and choosing based on what they're picking and choosing, it might not go so well. From 2016 to 2019, their picks are up 318% compared to the 57% of the S&P 500. So if you have the cash to at least consider investing in every pick that they put out, I would recommend looking into the Motley Fool Rule Breakers newsletter. All right, 3 down, 2 more to go. If you're a super active trader, check out Jim Cramer's Action Alerts. I was subscribed to Jim Cramer for a month, and honestly, it was a little too much for me. I don't trade every single day, but if you are a really active day trader or swing trader, Jim Cramer's investment newsletter certainly throws a ton of picks your way that you can take advantage of. Several times a week, you'll get action alerts, which are basically when Jim Cramer buys or sells certain stocks. You'll get detailed information about why he made each and every one of those moves so that you can make the decision for yourself. And at the end of each week, he gives you a roundup of all of the shares that he currently owns and why. We love this service because it allows you to basically get inside the head of an industry expert. Right now, they're doing a 14-day free trial of Action Alerts Plus, so check it out if you're a really active trader. And finally, if you're a big research and analysis trader, check out Zacks. Zacks' investment research newsletter focuses on giving users the right tools and knowledge to invest successfully. Again, you get a newsletter emailed to you each weekday morning, which I know can be a lot for some people, But if you're really into research and analysis, this is absolutely the newsletter for you. Plus, Zacks links you to not only stock recommendations, but also index fund recommendations, as well as mutual funds. You can register for free and then select exactly which services you want based on what you're interested in. And you should review these account options to figure out which investing resources are best for you and your goals. You can try the Investor Collection and Zacks Ultimate for 30 days free. All right, everybody, that's our top 5 best investing newsletters for 2021 based on 2020's performance. If you're interested in any of these investing newsletters, check out the links in the description below. Leave us a comment if you liked today's video and want more on investing newsletters, and please smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the Wall Street Survivor channel. Peace out. See you guys in the next video.